Okay guys, we're back in the Chrysler 300S 2015. These are my stock pedals. I've purchased these pedal covers off of eBay for about $25, if it'll focus. And this one, which is the gas pedal, will actually just slip over top of the other one. It's the easiest one to install. Everything I've seen online, it's that brake pedal that's going to be very difficult to install. So right now I have the brake pedal sitting in some warm water because the rubber on the back that has to slide over top has to be pliable. So that's the one that causes everybody issues. So I'm anxious to see how much issues that's going to cause me. So let's go ahead and get started and actually install the gas pedal first because it's the easiest one to install. So let's get that done. Okay guys, I'm trying to get some extra light in here so you can see as well. Here's the pedal. You can see the connectors on the back. It's supposed to just clip over top of the gas pedal. So let's see how easy that is to do. Okay, that was about as easy as it gets. Now the issue is going to be the brake pedal. So first thing we have to do on the brake pedal is actually get this rubber off. So let me see how easy that's going to be. And off it comes. As you can see, that was not near as easy in installing the other part. So this has these sections in the back that slide over top of this, and so that's why I've got it soaking in some hot water so that can get a little bit more pliable. And I might actually apply some lubricant to this brake piece of metal as well. So I'm gonna go see what I can find to lubricate that up, and we'll start trying to install the brake. All right, I just got my microfiber towel. I'm going to dry this off, get the water out of it. Now let's see what we can do. I don't really look forward to this because this is the hardest part I can see online. I'm going to start at the bottom, see if I can't get this on. Or maybe I should start at the top. I don't know. Okay, that was good. Now I've just got to get the back pried up somehow. which this seems to be the issue, because you can't get in here to this piece to pry it up to get it over the top. It seems to be the problem. It's got to go from the bottom. It can't go from the top. That's impossible. I think we're getting it. Ah, there we go. And yes, that is every bit as hard as they claim. I finally got all these sides on in this one little corner, and so I would take my screwdriver head and get underneath that one corner and just peel it and peel it and peel it till it finally got on. So there they go. Pretty simple. Well, I wouldn't say too simple, but I would say it took me, well, 15 minutes according to the video time. Part of that was videoing some other things. So about 15 minutes to get that in. Maybe somebody with a little bit more skill than myself could do it quicker, but it's done. And I think it makes the car look really nice. So there you go. And I have all my parts to paint my brake calipers. And so as soon as, well, I got everything except for some brake cleaner. And so I will be painting these brake calipers red in the next video. So be looking forward to that.